Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Bluetooth in your Subaru Impreza. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid any distractions. Then, grab your mobile phone and activate its Bluetooth feature in the Settings menu. Next, navigate to your car's infotainment system and prepare to begin the pairing process. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful connection. Now that your phone's Bluetooth is active, it's time to get your Impreza ready. On your car's infotainment screen, select the phone option. From there, you'll typically see choices like Add Phone or Connect Device. Select the appropriate one. Your car is now searching for devices, so keep an eye on your phone for a pairing request. With your car in pairing mode, your phone's name should now appear on the Subaru's screen. Carefully select your specific device from the list to initiate the connection. Both your car and phone will then display a passkey or PIN. Confirm that these numbers match on both screens, then accept the connection to finalize the pairing. Congratulations, your phone should now be connected. To ensure everything works perfectly, make a quick test call to confirm the audio is clear. You can also try playing some music from your phone to check the audio streaming functionality. Now, you can enjoy hands-free communication and seamless audio playback through your Subaru Impreza's sound system.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.